So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable developer options and USB debugging on your RUGONE Xever 7 Pro. In order to do that, go to the settings, then scroll all the way down to About Phone and find Version. Now, tap on build number 7 times. If you have a screen lock, it'll ask you to provide it as well. Now go back to the main page and go to System, then go to Developer Options, and now you are in the Developer Options. If you like to enable USB debugging, scroll down to Debugging, find USB debugging, enable it, click on OK, and now it will be set to debug mode when USB is connected. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.